Alright, so this is like the worst type of firewood you can get. I'm not talking about it being black walnut. I love burning black walnut, but wood that is shaped like that is absolutely atrocious. It's almost impossible. It's not impossible to split with an axe, but you've got to like split these two ends, like going across like this. Then you got to flip it over. Then you got to split this end going the same way. Plus, there's a huge knot right in this area, and same thing with that piece. That's the exact same type of piece. Same with that piece right there. That's locust. This is black walnut. This is for like burning outside. This is a from a gum tree, I believe. But yeah, I love burning black walnut. Don't get me wrong, but I just hate. And the worst part is, the guy up the street, he had a tree taken down, and he had like 50 pieces like that, and he was like, "Can you take them? Because I can't do anything with them. I'm too old. I can't split them." So I was like, "All right, yeah, sure, I'll take them. I'll see what I can do with them." And I've got most of them done, but God, man, it is a pain in the ass. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can split this one on the right real quick, and I'll show you how I do it. Alright, so the first objective is going to be to split across here and across here. And then I'm going to have to flip it over. I'm not going to split it all the way through. I'm just going to get it started to where, to me, it looks like it's enough. And then I'll flip it over and split it going across like this from the other side. So, see how it turns out. Alright, so alright, that was pretty good. That was better. Alright, so that side's cracked all the way across and about 5 inches down. Now it's this side. I gotta stand over here. Alright. One more. Okay. Now I've got to flip it over. Just like that. So when it's done, it'll basically just look like a Y. My stove is big enough to burn that in, but yeah. Alright, I just wanted to add one quick thing. When I said walnut, this was like hard to split. I'm not saying walnut itself is hard to split. It's actually very easy. It's got a straight grain pattern, but this, you can tell, like the pattern is in a Y. It's got a big knot in the middle, and I was just saying like pieces that are cut like that are a pain to split. And I figured I'd give you all a nice picture of it, because I figured it was pretty dark because the sun was behind me when I was filming. But this right here is what I have split so far. It'll take me that times about 4 to last me an entire winter. So we burn a lot of wood in the winter time, especially this past winter when in November it was like 20 degrees. It usually don't get that cold till the end of December, beginning of January, but this year it was cold early. But alright, I'm out. Later.